So this is the FMS A-10 version 2. Had one of these before, really liked it. Broke it a little bit, gave it to Carl. He loves it, don't you, Carl?
Yeah, I do, yep.
So I got a new one, and you might have seen the previous video where I converted a pilot, not the pilot that actually came with it because it was a bit small, but another one from Motion RC into a pan tilt mechanism. And I've put the DJI air unit camera into it, so that move your head left and right, up and down, and it moves. You will see that the what do they call this on top? Jay? The cockpit, yeah. But the glass over the top, the transparent plastic, I've cut most of it away because it does not obscure, but it kind of
bad reflections, isn't it?
You get bad reflections and stuff like that. I've just left it in for this bit at the front, but taking it out here and around the back, which is then the second. So it's good for visibility, but also good for cooling the air unit because they do get quite hot, don't they?
Yeah, without airflow, we find they a minute and then they get too hot and they start stopping recording and all sorts of stuff.
Yeah, which you don't want. So I'm going to fly at line of sight, and Jason's going to wear the head tracked goggles. For now, we've got the external Fat Shark module, which we've had quite a while. You can't get them. I say this on every video, but it just amazes me there are no manufacturers out there that make an external head track unit anymore. I think you can make them, Arduino and stuff like that, but there's no unit out there. I'm sure somebody will do that. Hobby King, one of my friends at Hobby King, said he would look into that. So we're going to fly it. This time you're going to see what the view is like. Carl's going to film, and then next flight I will fly it FPV myself. Here we go.
Yep.
on, Carl. So there we go. Really smooth flight, you know, just like my previous FMS A-10 version 2. How was the view?
Pretty good. We could do a bit more pan.
A bit more pan.
Yeah, so we only got about 45 degrees on the servo, so we'll have to change that. Because can't see the wing, which would be nice. So,
Yeah, it's nice to be able to look across the wing, especially when you're flying formation with something like
Absolutely,
tip
yeah.
to tip.
But apart from that, the canopy at the front, a little bit of plastic doesn't obscure it too much. So yeah, it's pretty good for
the frame doesn't obscure much.
No, it's pretty good. So
Right.
yeah, you'll obviously see that in the video.
Yeah. Okay. So thanks for watching this one. Always really good, I think, with these head-tracked FPV projects, just to take it one step at a time. Always do a line of sight flight first with somebody else wearing the goggles, and then so you can go and iron out the issues afterwards, and then fly FPV.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you will not get it right first time, as we have found a few times.
A few times.
A few times, as you'll see on our Spitfire video soon. So thanks for watching this one. Thanks to Jason on the goggles. Thanks to Carl on camera. You've been watching Essential RC. See you next time.
See you next time.
See ya.